So we're here at this side at Sports TV's man of the match, the man they can call Wheeler, Javier Dunn. First of all, going through to the next round, how does that feel?
Very, very exciting going to the next round. No tough oppositions in the next round, so ready for the fight and ready to win back Manning Cup again.
Alright, ultimately winning this game 3-0. What was the preparations like coming into this game? Knowing that you guys are through to the next round, but ultimately want to put in a performance to make sure that you're going to the next round in the proper way.
This game was a really proving game to show that we still have the champion spirit to go through and win it all.
Alright, and talk to me about your performance. Getting on the score sheet. Obviously you tried and you tried and you tried. Wreaking havoc on the St. George's College team. What do you attribute your good performance to today?
Coach, the team, my family, and the club, Phoenix Academy, whom I joined from I was 14. So yeah.
Alright, and I didn't talk to you in the team feature, but I want you to send a message to the Mona High School supporters. They got a little bit of crowd today, so send a message.
We are coming back for the Manning Cup again.
Alright, there we go.